Today we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between the brand new GoPro Mission 1 Pro and GoPro Hero 13 Black. The biggest difference is that the Mission 1 Pro steps up with a massive 1-inch sensor, 8K recording at 60 frames per second, advanced low-light modes, and extreme slow motion up to 960 frames per second in burst mode. On the other hand, GoPro Hero 13 Black keeps the proven compact GoPro design, reliable 5.3K recording, magnetic mounting, and the new HB series lens mods for more creative flexibility. So the big question is, do you need cutting-edge power or a lighter and more familiar action camera? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two action cameras and see which one is the right choice for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's kick things off with design, build quality, and mounting, because this is where the difference feels obvious as soon as you pick them up. The GoPro Mission 1 Pro is larger, thicker, and heavier at around 208 grams, so it feels more substantial in the hand and more serious as a production tool. That extra size also helps it deliver deeper buttons, which are easier to press when wearing gloves, and it improves water resistance up to 20 meters without needing an extra case. That makes it especially useful for diving, surfing, and rough outdoor shoots where durability really matters. On the other hand, GoPro Hero 13 Black is much lighter at 159 grams, so it is easier to mount on helmets, chest rigs, bikes, drones, or compact travel setups. It also adds magnetic mounting, which makes swapping setups faster when you are filming on the move. Its classic GoPro shape also works more smoothly with existing mounts. So if you value rugged confidence and underwater strength, the Mission 1 Pro feels better. But if you value compact mounting and fast setup changes, the Hero 13 Black is easier to live with. Moving on to the display, interface, and general shooting experience, the GoPro Mission 1 Pro feels like the more advanced camera for users who want deeper control. Its rear display increases to 2.59 inches, compared to the 2.27-inch screen on the Hero 13 Black. And that extra space makes framing shots, checking settings, and moving through menus feel more comfortable outdoors. It also brings a more customizable interface, so you can enable or disable shooting categories like video, photo, or time-lapse, depending on how you work. That may sound small, but it keeps the camera cleaner and faster when you are filming in unpredictable situations. On the other hand, GoPro Hero 13 Black keeps the familiar GoPro layout, which is a big advantage for longtime users who want to start recording without relearning everything. It also has smart auto detection for lens mods and neutral density filters, which helps the camera adjust settings when accessories are attached. The Mission 1 Pro adds sport stabilization tuning, underwater modes, capture overlays, and better audio panels. That means if you prioritize professional control and workflow customization, the Mission 1 Pro gives you more room to grow. When it comes to video performance and slow motion, the GoPro Mission 1 Pro takes a massive leap forward. It can record full 8K video at 60 frames per second, which means you get a huge amount of detail and more flexibility to crop, stabilize, or reframe footage later. It also records 4K at 240 frames per second, continuous 1080p at 480 frames per second, and a wild 1080p burst mode at 960 frames per second, which lets fast action turn into extremely dramatic slow motion footage. That is a huge advantage for sports, tricks, crashes, splashes, and any moment where timing matters. On the other hand, GoPro Hero 13 Black still delivers excellent 5.3K video at up to 60 frames per second, and that is more than enough for most YouTube, travel, and social media creators. It also has 720p at 400 frames per second for fun slow motion shots. The Mission 1 Pro also supports bit rates up to 240 megabits per second, which helps preserve detail in fast scenes, but it also creates larger files. So if you value maximum resolution, extreme slow motion, and editing flexibility, the Mission 1 Pro is clearly the stronger video tool. When it comes to image quality, low light, audio, and creator features, the Mission 1 Pro again feels like the camera built for more serious production. Its 1-inch quad-Bayer sensor is the headline upgrade, and a larger sensor generally captures more light, which helps with cleaner night footage, better dynamic range, and more natural depth in the image. It also supports GP-Log 2 recording, cinematic color profiles, underwater tuning, motion blur controls, and advanced ISO and shutter speed options, which gives editors more flexibility flexibility when color grading footage later. On the other hand, GoPro Hero 13 Black still produces sharp and vibrant footage with HLG HDR recording and excellent HyperSmooth stabilization, so it remains very capable for bright outdoor scenes and everyday action. It also gains a major creative advantage from the HB series lens system, including macro, ultra-wide, anamorphic, and neutral density filter options. The Mission 1 Pro fights back with USB-C microphone support, separate internal and external audio channels, 32-bit float raw audio, Bluetooth audio playback, subject tracking, and advanced time-lapse tools. So if you value better low light, richer editing control, and professional audio features, the Mission 1 Pro is the more complete creator camera. As for my final verdict, the GoPro Mission 1 Pro is the better choice for creators who want the most powerful option, especially for 8K footage, low-light scenes, underwater work, long shoots, advanced audio, and extreme slow motion. On the other hand, GoPro Hero 13 Black makes more sense if you want a lighter, familiar, modular, and dependable action camera with great 5.3K quality and strong lens accessories. That's all for today's video. Make sure to subscribe and comment below if you have any questions.